As you'll see, it's currently in position. In order to remove the bean hopper, you'll need to push the orange slide all the way in. You should hear some beans crunch. Tip the bean hopper back and pull it out. When you go to put it back, you must ensure that there are no beans in the way on the top here and everything is clear. At the bottom of the hopper, you'll see these two fins here and one at the back. In order to place this back correctly into the machine, you'll need to ensure that you do this at an angle. Pop it at an angle back, resting it on the top there, and you'll see that it sits in. Push back and down, and then pull your orange lever out. If you can close the lid without any issues, your bean hopper should be back in place and also shouldn't move when you push it at the front.